Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the newer upgraded stainless steel C-Stand with grip arm. You can see how it comes packaged right here in a very massive retail box. You can check that out. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, you can see we have our user guide and manual right here, complete with 4 steps to set everything up properly. You can see we also have our newer customer service and contact card. We have additional hardware we'll need, a screw and an Allen wrench. Then you can see we have 2 pieces right here. So our base for the stand with its feet and legs. And then you can see we have our 2 grips right here and our second rod. The steps to set this up is very simple and straightforward. You can refer to the included user guide and manual. Basically expand out the base and the legs to 120 degrees. Insert the pipe if it's not already connected to the base. Right out of the box, our pipe already came connected to the base. Then we're going to use the included screw right here to tighten it down and keep everything in place. We also have our Allen wrench for fine tuning and other adjustments. And then basically what we're going to do, then we have that all ready to go. We can take our arm right here and we can clamp that in place too with the included grips, and then everything is all set up. So now let's go ahead, let's get it set up. So first up, you can see the assembled base right here. Don't forget this top leg is actually adjustable, so we could raise the height and pivot it however we need depending on what you're setting this up against. So we do have one adjustable leg right here. And you go ahead, you can see where I attached the included screw that we have right there. And now you can see that's all set and ready to go. So we just tighten that down, or we can loosen it and then shift it up if need be, if we have to set this on an uneven height. And again, the Allen wrench that's included just goes right here, and you can adjust any of these to make those fine-tune adjustments. Now let's go ahead, let's get the top half set up. Now you can see we got the top half assembled right here. I'm really digging this nice foam grip if you got to move this around. Just an easy point to make contact with to hold. You can see we have 2 options to adjust the height of this unit right here, up to 120 inches. And then you can see we're using one of the grips. We assembled that at the top right here to then attach to our arm. That has our second grip on it that we can bring out here. We can use it wherever we see fit in the future, depending on what we're trying to mount to this arm. We have a 1/4 inch threaded adapter on this side, and we have a 3/8 inch threaded adapter on the back side right there. Don't forget, we can adjust this, bringing it all the way out here if we want. So you can see how far we can use this. Just like so. So we got a good length right there to be able to mount an overhead camera, microphone, that sort of thing. And again, we have 2 height adjustments right here. So overall, solid. Very happy with how everything came together. Very simple and straightforward. So really quick, I wanted to point out this does have a spring-loaded base as well too, to prevent any sort of hard drops or shifts when you're making your adjustments right there. Overall, it's got a solid design. Decent weight to it. Looks like it's going to hold up long term with the stainless steel, and it's going to get the job done for what I need here in the studio to hold my overhead camera, attach a microphone, and maybe in the future we'll use it for some lighting or something along those lines. So overall, my first impressions are that I'm impressed, and it's going to do a great job holding my camera and microphone in place.